Let me show you how to turn basic pantry staples into the most addictive noodles you will ever taste. Crispy golden onions, garlicky heat, and a sauce that clings to every strand. Start with a cold pan, 1 tablespoon of oil, and diced onions. Cook them low and slow until golden brown and crispy. This is where the magic happens. Toast and chop green onions, a generous amount of minced garlic, chili flakes for kick, and toasted sesame seeds for crunch. The aroma alone will make your mouth water. Not the flavor bomb. 2 spoons of black soy for saltiness, 1 spoon of dark soy for color, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for depth, a pinch of salt to balance it all out. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens slightly and the flavors come together beautifully. Toast with cold rinsed noodles. The ghee helps them soak up all that glorious sauce. Mix until every single strand is perfectly coated. Those crispy onion bits, absolutely game changer. This isn't just food, it's alchemy. Cheap ingredients transform into something truly special with just a few smart techniques.